What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Buddy Love Man. What we doing for you guys today is making a dope Capsule Corp custom. What we're gonna be pretty much doing today is walking you guys how to create your very own custom made Capsule Corp logo and print it on your shirt, print it on your hoodie, print it on anything that you got, so you can be officially one of the DBZ fighters, and you can use it for training or whatever may have you. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. Kamehameha. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do, just gonna type in Capsule Corp and PNG. Then we're just gonna go to your Google Images, and the one I'm looking for, so as you can see, you get a whole bunch of Capsule Corp badges that pop up. So the one I'm looking for, I just really want just this here, but okay, good, it's perfect. We're just gonna right click, save as. We're gonna just go ahead and put this in my folder. Just create you a folder to put this in. I got a folder for custom designs. That's a little bit smaller than my original one, so we're gonna do this. We're just gonna change the name. Save right there. And while we at it, let's go ahead and grab this because I want to use this for later. Alright, once that's done, you want to go ahead and open up your Silhouette software. I have Silhouette Studio, so this is what I'm using to do it. So if you don't have it, I'll leave a link in the description of the cutter that you may want to buy and purchase to do this actual custom logo. So the print size that I'm using is this. It's 12 by 12. So now all we got to do is simply just open that picture. Alright, now that we got it open, all we got to do is just make it the size that we need it. The size I want it to be is 4 by 4. So I'm going to go ahead and make it 4 by 4. Next thing we're going to do is trace this image. Alright, now this image is traced. All we got to do is flip this horizontally. There we go. Once this is flipped, now we can just move it in the place we want it to be, by right there. Alright, now that we got it the way we want it to look, one extra thing I was going to do, what I want to make sure is that I have this black background. So what I'm going to do is grab my image once again. So you want to go ahead and trace this, and we'll keep it at about 55. Then I just want to trace the outer edges. So that's all you have to do, is just trace the outer edges. And after that, you just move it here. So now you got the black background, which will be this. Then this will be the white. This will represent the white area. Alright, so with that being said, let's go ahead and get this right so that I can put two colors down. So it's 4 and 4. They're both even. And the reason why I copied from this is because I wanted this to be, I wanted the black area to be even with the white area. So you'll see. Now we're ready to cut. Now we're about to go ahead and make our cuts. So let's go ahead and get right into that. Alright, now we are good and ready for the cutter. My matte adhesive is going sour on me, so I had to put some tape on that thing to get it right. So now let's go ahead and get it started.
Alright,
Alright, now we at the part where we're going to go ahead and weed this thing out. So the first one we're going to do is the easy one, which is the black. So all we do is just lift that up just a little bit. Once we get it up, we can kind of grab it and go ahead and snatch it up. So the beautiful thing about this is that you can basically create your center mark by just folding it. Alright, so right now we wait on the heat press to get hot. We're going to be putting this image on this gray hoodie, and it's going to look dope. So what I'm going to end up doing is putting it, get that off, right on my left chest right here. So when I walk up on the scene, you know it's Capsule Corp. Right now we got our hoodie placed on the heat press. So while we're getting ready for that to get hot, what we're going to end up doing is placing our image. All I really do when I place my images, I always just count from 4 fingers from the neck. And then for placing images on the chest, 4 fingers from the neck and 1 inch from the center point. So it's pretty much this and pretty much right there. So we're going to put down the black first. So now we have the black already. And then the next thing we're going to do is put down the C right on top of it. It'll look just like that. So we're going to keep this out the way for now. And we're going to go ahead and get ready to press. Alright, now the shirt is ready to press. So we're going to go ahead and press in 30 seconds. The first image I'm just going to do for a cool 12 seconds. So right at 18, we're going to take it up. We're going to go ahead and place the next image down. So now that that's down, you can go ahead and put this image down. So let's put it on there perfectly. So now it's ready to go. We're gonna go ahead and do this for 30 seconds. Alright, it's all should be all done now. Let's check it out. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Bam. Alright. So boom. Capsule Corp, baby. You already know. Let's try it on. Alright guys, there you have it. Your very own Capsule Corp hoodie, custom made. You guys should try it. Leave a comment below to let me know if it was a success. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see me create. Let's get it. It's your boy Buddy Love. Peace.